In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do mail merge in HubSpot. First, you need to sign in to HubSpot. Open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot login page. Enter your credentials and click the Sign In button. Once you are logged in, you will see your HubSpot dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Signing in is essential because it grants you access to your contacts and tools needed for the mail merge. You will feel a sense of accomplishment as you successfully access your account and prepare to create a personalized email. Next, create or open an email. On your dashboard, locate the email tool, which is usually found in the marketing section. Click on it to begin. If you are creating a new email, click the option to create a new email. This will open an email editor where you can draft your message. If you have an existing email, simply select it from the list provided. This step is important as it sets the stage for your personalized outreach. You are now ready to craft a message tailored to your audience. Now, place your cursor where you want to insert personalized information. This could be at the beginning of your email or wherever you wish to add a personal touch. Click in the text area and you will see your cursor blinking. Positioning your cursor correctly is crucial because it determines where the personalized information will appear. This adds a unique layer to your communication, making your recipients feel valued. From there, click on the Personalize button. This button is typically found in the Email Editor toolbar. Once you click it, a menu will appear showcasing various personalization options. This step is vital as it allows you to incorporate dynamic fields that will automatically pull in the specific details for each recipient. You are now on your way to creating a more engaging email. Next, select a contact property such as first name or company name. The menu will display a list of available properties. Choose the one that fits your email's context best. Selecting the right property is key because it ensures that your message resonates with each individual recipient. When they see their name or company in the email, it creates a stronger connection. After that, add a default value if desired. This option is useful if you want to provide a fallback name or term for any contacts who may not have the selected property filled in. For example, if you choose first name but a contact does not have this information, you could set a default value like there. This small extra step is important because it ensures that your email appears professional and polished, even when some information is missing. You are now making strides toward a well-crafted email. Finally, finish composing your email and send or schedule it. Take a moment to review your content, ensuring that everything flows smoothly. Check for any grammatical errors and confirm that your personalization fields are correctly placed. Once satisfied, click the Send button or schedule it for a later date. This final action is rewarding as it allows your carefully tailored message to reach your audience. You have successfully completed the mail merge process in HubSpot, and your contacts will appreciate your thoughtful approach.